Establishing an efficient recruitment process across departments can be challenging, especially when getting everyone involved in communication. Gaps, delays, and miscommunications happen, sometimes leading to serious issues and costs. jobCycle helps you organize and run your processes smoothly in a few simple steps. Here's how. Into company data, you can easily manage your organizational units. First, you will create the main organizational units of your company that are involved in your future processes. As you can see, the structure of organizational units is a tree view where you can add as many child items as you need. Also, under Company Data, you will find Employees tab. Simply add a new employee here. Then, you enter or import your employees. Now we can start setting up our recruitment process. First thing our process needs is the job description document. Let's draft one. We created a new document template called, for example, vacancy details. Then we define each field for our custom document. We add the name, we choose the proper field type, enter a default value if needed, and we have the required field toggle that we can switch. We can add as many custom fields as we need. We click the Save button, and our document template is ready. Now we'll simply design our processes using the Designer feature in Studio. We start here by creating a new design. Give it a name, some description. Choose the organizational unit that performs this process. Add designers, people that will be able to design and edit your process template. Now define documents to be appointed to this flow. There are two types: custom templates, like the one we just created a few minutes ago, or a simple attachment document, a PDF or other. You can then decide if the document will be required or not. Our new process is created and the documents are defined. Now the fun part, we can start designing. First step in a recruitment is finding the candidate. Each step has its own details. Now we're assigning documents to this step. You'll notice that I added both document types here. One may think this is supposed to be done in two steps, but there is no need, as we will always assign tasks to each step. One task is the bare minimum we must assign, because successful task execution is required to move forward. If you need to notify a candidate or client, it's easy. Choose this icon. Name the step by clicking under the icon and move to the step details for configuration. Just like sending an email, fill in the recipient's subject and content. Email will be automatically sent after the successful execution of your previous step. Then the decision comes. Let's put a decision gateway here. Name it, create positive and negative outcome steps, and go back to configure the decision. In the decision item details, you must connect positive and negative outcome steps with the decision itself. Now, as we're moving forward, it's getting way more fun. What if there are multiple steps to be executed at the same time? For instance, while HR is scheduling the interview, the engineering team must create the interview questionnaire as well. No worries. See how simple this is with jobCycle. Just add a parallel gateway before and after your parallel steps, and don't forget, your every step must be configured. Now this is how the whole recruitment process looks like once it's done. Let's explain what these HTTP icons are. Whenever you need automated actions, you can set them up by configuring the HTTP request to the API service of your integrated software. The last action is process design validation to make sure everything is designed properly. Once you click Validate, it'll tell you what you need to add, fix, or if your whole process is valid. Last but not least, if you have a multi-layered project, we've got you covered. You can create child processes that nest within the main flow so that every detail gets covered. Welcome to jobCycle.